Myths Reborn.
Lada, goddess of love, spring, and harmony. Her touch awakens the earth, her voice calms storms, and her light brings peace to all hearts. Born from the first sunrise after the long winter, Lada emerged from the morning dew, a radiant spirit woven of warmth, beauty, and life. With every step she took, flowers opened, rivers began to sing, and the sun shone brighter. Her laughter carried spring through the lands. Among gods and mortals alike, Lada was the voice of peace. Where anger burned, she brought calm. Where sorrow lingered, she brought joy. In her honor, the Slavs held great festivals. Wreaths floated down the rivers. Bonfires glowed, and songs of love filled the night air. Her eternal companion, Lado, was the god of unity. Together they formed the sacred balance, masculine and feminine, earth and sky, heart and spirit. Lada blessed people with love that creates, not destroys. Through her, families found peace, and communities lived as one. When the sun reached its highest, Lada's power was greatest. She danced through fields of gold, weaving warmth into the heart of the world. Not all welcomed her light. Some gods grew envious of her peace. But Lada's heart knew no hatred. She forgave even those who sought her fall. As autumn came, she rose back to the sky, carrying with her the songs of harvest and the promise of spring's return. Even now, her name echoes in the laughter of lovers, the bloom of flowers, and the warmth of sunrise. Lada, the eternal heart of harmony.
Myths awaken. This is Myths Reborn.